Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to see about a major and minor plates. Okay, so this was a rough sketch of a world map. These are all the different continents like North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia, Europe and Asia, Africa. So on this sketch, this line, okay, this track line was known as a ridges. So this line was a ridges. Track lines was a ridges where the tectonic plates move away from each other. So there is a formation of a new crest on that place. Okay. So this was a mid-Atlantic trench, and this was another trench which was a present between Asia, which was present between Australia, the North America and South America. So there is a different plates in the earth, okay, which was classified into two types. One is a major plate and another one is a minor plate based upon the size of a plate. Okay, here the major plates was first one was a North American plate, okay, which consists of an entire North American continent. This is a North American plate. Then South American plate, which consists of a South American continent, and then African plate. Okay, African plate here consists of a continent of Africa, and then part of a and then Eurasian plate. Okay, Eurasian plate was extended from Europe to end of Russia. Okay, so this is the continuation. Eurasian plate consists of the continents of Europe and Asia. Okay, which is the biggest big one. Then Indo-Australian plate. Okay, here the Indo-Australian plate consists of entire region of India and then Australia. Okay, next Antarctic plate consists of Antarctic continent. So these are all the major plates, okay, which was big in size when compared to that of a minor plate. Next we are going to see about a minor plates, which is nothing but first one is the Arabian plate, which consists of a region of Arabia, like Saudi Arabia, UAE. So these are all the Arabian plate, which is the minor plate. Then Caroline plate. So Caroline plate was present between Philippine plate and then Indo-Australian plate. Next, Philippine plate, which consists of countries like Philippines. Then this Caribbean plate, which was present between North American continent and South American continent. Then Nazca plate, which lies west to that of a South American continent. Then Cactus plate, which was present between a North American plate and the South American plate. So on the west side of a North American and South American plate lies a Cactus plate. So then Scotia plate, which was present between a South American plate and the African plate in Atlantic Ocean. Then Caroline plate, we have seen that. Then so these are all the minor plates, okay, which was smaller in size when compared to that of a major plates. Okay, so this was trenches. This dotted line was considered as a trenches where the two continent plates moves close together. So there is a destruction of a crust. Okay, there is a destruction of a crust. Okay, destruction of a crust happens at the trenches. Okay, so these are all considered as a trenches. This dotted line was considered as a trenches where there is a destruction of a crust, and this track line was considered as a ridges where there is a formation of a crust due to the coming of a magma from a asthenosphere. Okay, so these are all the major and minor plates in the earth. Thank you.